Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another Tinkercad tutorial. Okay, this is part 8. Ooh, we're moving right along. I'm getting 10 videos ready to launch this new channel. So, this is so far going to be beginner tutorials, and we'll move on to more advanced stuff. And I'll just keep making videos, so make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. If you're brand new, go and watch some like part 1, part 2, part 3. But by now, if it's part 8, you have a little bit of experience. So let's just jump right in. So we're going to hit Create 3D Design, of course. All right, we're at our blank template, and as you saw by the thumbnail, we're going to make pet food caps for your open pet food containers. And it is an incredible, simple, easy thing. They make the best gifts. You can customize them. You can put the animal's name on them. They're so cool and useful, but so simple. I've been doing it for a while now, and actually we just got a new kitten, and now we're using these little Fancy Feast, them little cat food cans. So I got to make some new caps anyway. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And we're going to do a quick experiment to figure out the exact right size, how you guys can figure out the exact size, because that was a little bit tricky. So what I first do is I'm going to grab this cylinder, and we're going to crank the sides of it all the way up to 64. Once again, that's so it has a nice smooth edge, 64 angled sides. And what I'm going to do is just make this the exact size of my can. So I measured the very top of the can and with my caliper, and it's 66 millimeters. So just so okay. So we can click on these squares, and it'll leave these numbers here that we can change. So 66 by 66. See? So this is about, let me make it a little taller. Yeah, that little Fancy Feast cans, they basically are this. So we're going to use this to kind of, as our template to cut the hole into the lid we make. I'll show you. So actually, let's make a copy of this. And we are going to make the copy bigger. So see, the copy, they always stack on each other. So just move it over. I'd say 3 millimeters on each side bigger. So instead of 66, is that 72? Okay, 72. So let's just visualize. Let's turn this into a cutout once. And kind of visualize if that'll give us enough thickness on the edge. Yeah, that'll be fine. Oh, we are going to try a couple a little bigger. Let's do... should we go 1 more millimeter? Yeah, let's do 73 by 73. Because we're going to try a couple sizes, so I know what to tell you guys, like how much bigger to make the cutout so it fits on your can. So this will work with any can. You just have to measure your own can and then do this same technique. So we have the exact can size right here. And then we have what's going to be our lid. So, it's upside down right now, but that's fine. So we have about 3 millimeters on each side. I guess we can align it. So see, we hit the align tool. And both are selected right now. And now by hitting these black dots, it'll line them up. I'm just repeating myself in case someone hasn't watched my other videos. Okay, so these are lined up. So this cutout cylinder, let's raise it up 3. So see, I'm holding shift and I clicked up 3 times. See, I can put it back down because we're moving 1 millimeter at a time every time I click. And you can change that down here if you want to move a different amount per click. Okay, so we can actually do a cutout right now, but since this is the exact size, of the can, this plastic is probably going to shrink a little bit after it prints, and I guarantee if we just cut this out and printed this, it won't even fit on the can. So we're going to have to make this cutout ever so slightly bigger. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to do 3 different sizes, slightly different, so I can tell you guys which one's the best. We won't find out till the end because I have to print them first. So check this out. Let's make 3 copies of these. So see, you can hit duplicate, and it always, if you ever think you're going to mess something up or you want to experiment, just make a copy and set it off to the side in case you want to make more, or do experiments or whatever. Okay, so let's do this first one. We're going to make, we want to just select the cutout part because we're going to make it a little bigger. So let's do an experiment. Let's only do a 0.5 millimeter bigger. Ooh, there's no way that's going to fit. Let's just do 1 millimeter bigger. So we'll go 67 by 67. There we go. So yeah, let's try that. Okay, we're going to have to center again. Okay, so this one is 1 millimeter bigger than the can. Let's do 1.5 millimeters, so 67.5. 67.5. And we'll align. Can't see that one. Oh, geez, come on, man. There we go. You can hit F to center your item that you're looking at, that you selected. Okay, so this cutout is 1.5 millimeters bigger than... Why does this look so huge over here? Is that bigger? Wait, what? Wait. Why would that one be bigger? Okay, hold on. Oh, is it just my perspective? That is bigger. Oh, 73? I'm losing my mind, guys. Ah, it's 5:09 a.m. I'm just losing my mind, I guess. Okay, it's not bigger. Trust me, though, it looked bigger, right? Look at it right now. This looks bigger. There, see? Okay. Okay, so this is 1.5 bigger than the can. Let's do this cutout 2 millimeters bigger than the can. So let's do 68 by 68. Make sure I didn't screw it up. So this should be 67.5, and that one should be 67. Okay. Oops, we better center this one. Okay, we're cruising. Okay. All right, let's combine. So see, if you select, you can drag your left mouse button to get this little square that I've been using. And that'll select everything that's inside the square. So our 2 objects are selected, and we can do our cutout by hitting this group. Boop. Okay, there's one. This is the big one. Biggest cutout. Group these. Boop. And group these. Boop. There we go. Okay, we have 3 caps. This is the smallest. See, that just looks weird. It's just the perspective. Okay. Yep, so this is the smallest cap, medium cap, bigger cap. But let's add some customization because this would be too boring if we just stopped there. So let's add the kitten's name. Okay, so we can grab the text and just set it in the bottom there. And let me change it to Dozer. We have a Maine Coon kitten. Dozer. There we go. And we can change the side later. Oh, from our third At part third, we learned something. We learned how to do bevels. We're going to bevel it a little bit. If I remember how. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, segments 1. Oh, yeah, that looks cool. Okay, okay, we can hit done or just click off of it. So look, it's way too big. Let's get rid of all this extra stuff here. Okay, let's shrink it down. I'm going to hold shift so it shrinks it uniformly. So see, otherwise, if you're not holding shift, you could stretch it all over, which is actually kind of cool. We might even do that a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to kind of shrink it without holding shift so I can change the shape. I think that'd be kind of cool maybe. I think we can just, we could probably just eyeball this. That looks, well, all right, we'll be thorough. Okay, let's center it this way and this way, I guess. Dozer. Okay. And obviously that's sticking up too much. That will be a little crazy. We could have it dent down in, like we could cut down in, but I think it might look cool. Should we have it cut down in or have it dent up? I guess it doesn't matter. You guys could do whatever you want. Maybe one of these other ones will cut down in. Okay, let's make, I want to add more detail. So let's make some little paws, like little cat paws, like cat prints. Wouldn't that be cool? So let's quick make a cat print. It won't take long. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, sides. I'll just kind of cruise along. I'm going to make a little cat print. Let me see. I'm going to have to Google one here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's just kind of make one. Okay, they kind of have a big pad. They kind of have a bigger pad like this. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. And then we'll do some little pads. What do they got? 4 smaller pads. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got this. I got this. Okay, let's just start. Yeah, how about like that? Okay, copy. Oh, it made it even smaller. That's funny. Okay, hold on. So click it, duplicate, go over. Duplicate button is one of your best friends. See how quick we can kind of do stuff? Okay, I think I might have to make these a little smaller because I got to fit 4 of them. Okay, let's just get the other pad in. Oof, we're close. I hit the F key to zoom in. How we doing here? It looks a little weird. Okay, hold on. We gotta center ourselves here. Okay. And this will be a lot smaller, so it won't look so. You're not gonna see all this little detail really too much. Okay. Should I make it more like this or more like this? Let's just try it like this and see. I kind of like this. I'm going to change this to 0.1 millimeters. So see, you can really move stuff a littlest bit. I think that's okay. Here, let's group this together and see what it looks like. Because it'll get rid of these lines. Ha 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 ha! That's not so bad. Wow, it's kind of a big pad here. Is that too fatty of a pad? I think it's pretty good. let's go back and let me try something. I'm going to group just this pad together. Group. And then let's shrink it in a little bit. And then maybe this way a little. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Okay. See? You guys didn't think it was going to look good, did ya? Okay, so it's even going to be smaller inside the thing, so it'll even look better. Group. Okay, so let's move it into place. See, it's too big. I think we could put a couple of these in here. Hit the F key so we can center what we're working on. So how about we put one, and so it's not perfectly straight, should we move it a little bit? How about like that? And let's make sure it's sticking up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's sticking up. Can we fit one underneath it? Oh yeah, we're definitely going to do that. See how cool this is? Told ya. Haha. Oh, just kidding. Okay. Here, let's... It's going really slow because I'm moving it 0.1 at a time. I'm holding down the down arrow. Okay, hopefully this one fits down there. Oh yeah, it'll fit. Here, just to make it look like it's its opposite foot, we can hit the mirror image. And then, let me move this down a little. And then hit this arrow. See, it flipped it basically. Let's move this up a little bit. So you can always move stuff around later. There. And yeah. How cool is that? I guess it'll all be one color, but unless you're really crafty, as it's printing, you can switch the colors right when it's done with this flat area, and then it'll print these raised areas the next color. But let's just make this all the orange. Right? If it will. Sure. There we go. Okay. So we have that. So let's just hold down Shift and let's just select them three details and we'll hit duplicate. Oh gosh, we got to move faster than that. So here, let's go back to 1 millimeter movement. There we go. Okay, we'll hit F to center. Center our view, that is. I'm just going to eyeball it. That's good. Up one. Sure. And you know what? Let's hit duplicate again. Look, it even duplicated the movement, which is pretty cool. So center this, go down a little. Since these are for my family, I don't have to be too fussy. But oh, these make such good gifts. You guys will be making a lot of these. You should, anyway. Okay, dozer, dozer, dozer. Oh yeah, we were going to do one as an imprint. Should we do one like that? So, I guess we could just go like this then. Hold. And then, looks like the paws are already sunken in a little bit. Let me check how sunken they are. Okay, let's just go 1, 2. Okay, we're sinking them in 2 millimeters. Woo! Okay, let's raise it up first. 1, 2. This is sitting on the surface, so 1, 2. Oof. We better... Let's make the letters taller so we can sink it in better. So 1, 2. Okay, so this one's going to get cut in. So now we can just select everything. with our drag the red square. Okay, combine. Group. Let's see how that looks compared to the raised boopage. It looks fine. What do you guys like better? Okay, so that's the cut. And now let's check out the raised. I mean, I think the raised one looks a little better. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess I just realized one other thing. The rim of the, well, this will fit pretty snugly. The rim of the food can is going to hit. It's going to hit on these. So you might want to keep them a little bit away from the rim, like your details. So the rim, fits all the way into this flat surface, so no air gets into your pet food. So I don't know if I should shrink these down a little bit. Let me hold shift and make the whole thing a little bit smaller. There, I think we'll have to do it like that. Okay, let me do... Well, it'll only take a second. We're doing it. We're doing it. Oh gosh, everything's selected. Okay. When I try to do something quickly, then it takes me longer. Okay, select. Now we're holding shift down to make it a little smaller. Yeah, so now the rim of the pet food will sit nice snug all the way on this flat surface, and that will keep it better, longer, fresher, longer. Okay, there we go. And let's see if there's anything else that we need to do. I think these are ready. I guess they wouldn't quite have to be this thick. These are going to be beefy, but they'll last a long time. And I'll probably print them at 100% infill. Okay, so that was a pretty quick design. So let me print these out, and we'll see which one fits the best, and I'll let you know if it's the 1 millimeter bigger, 1.5 millimeter bigger, or 2 millimeters bigger. Is that what we did? Yeah, I think that's what we did. Okay, we'll get right back to you when I'm done printing. Oh my gosh, guys, these turned out so cool. Wait till you see this. Let's see if one comes off. Look, look, they're loose because it cooled down. Are you ready? La, dude, are you kidding me? Look, it looks delicious. It looks like white chocolate and mint. High five, guys. Seriously, high five the screen. Wow, look at that. Isn't that great? Okay, I hope it fits. This is the medium one that we did. Look, this one printed, it's missing a paw. I must have not had it selected. This paw must not have been selected when I exported the file. So that is the paw gone missing. That one left. So this is the smallest size. And then look, this is the one we did the indent. So look, it's kind of opposite. It dents down in and it's white. So let's compare. Oh, cool. I think the left one looks better though, right? This is the raised one. And this is the sunken in one. This one definitely looks better. Okay, so let me keep these in order. Small, medium, large. Here is our fancy feast. Let's see if this one even fits. Oh, it does, the small one. Oh, the small's perfect. So that means these are gonna be a little too big. Oh, not by much. Oh, okay, not bad. They're all gonna work. Here's two things we can take note of. It wouldn't really have to be as deep this way, but I kind of like it. It really covers it. It's only got the tiniest bit of play. So this was the 1 millimeter, bigger than this dimension. So I used my caliper. This was 66, and we made this 67. This cutout was 67. So you could probably go a tiny bit. So instead of 1 millimeter, you could do like 0.8 millimeters, and it might be a perfect fit. But I kind of like it loose like that. It makes it easier to just grab out. Oh my gosh, these are so great. Look at, these are so cool. I can't stop looking at them. You guys have to make some of these for gifts for Christmas. You better start printing. Okay. All right. Hey, thanks guys for watching. This was part 9. I'm going to get one more part out and I can launch the channel. So brand new channel. So please subscribe because it'll help support the channel and I'll keep making more videos. Give me ideas in the comments and I will design and print them and do a tutorial on them. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.